Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain what are modifiers in Java. So let's get started. As part of this session, I am not only going to cover what are modifiers, along with this, I am also going to cover what is the purpose of modifiers. Okay? Why modifiers are needed in Java also I am covering. Okay? So what are modifiers I'm going to cover? What is the purpose of this modifiers I'm going to cover? Okay. So let's start with this what are modifiers. Okay. So modifiers in Java, in simple words are nothing but keywords case. Okay. Different keywords. Modifiers in Java in simple words are nothing but keywords like public, private, protected, static, final, abstract. So these keywords, there are total six keywords, right? These six keywords in Java are called as modifiers. Okay. Whatever I have listed down here are nothing but the keywords in Java. These six keywords in Java are called as modifiers. But what exactly are these modifiers? You understood modifiers in Java are nothing but these keywords, but what is the actual purpose of these modifiers? The purpose or use of these modifiers in Java programming is nothing but, you see in the name itself, the purpose is mentioned, modifiers. Modifiers. That means they will modify something, right? Modifiers means the meaning of these modifiers means modify something. The purpose is also same thing. Okay, they will modify something. What is that something? In Java, these modifiers, that is nothing but in other words, these keywords, these different Java keywords are nothing but modifiers, right? When these keywords are used before the okay, when these keywords are used before different Java items like interfaces, classes, variables, and methods. Okay, when these particular keywords are used before the different items in Java like classes, variables, methods, interfaces, which I am going to cover in the upcoming sessions, etc. I'll write for now. Okay, when these particular modifiers, which will modify something, are okay, these modifiers are nothing but these particular six keywords in Java are called as modifiers. When you specify these modifiers before these classes, variables, methods, etc. in Java, they will modify their original behavior. When modifiers are specified before the Java items, okay, when modifiers are specified before the Java items like classes, variables, methods, etc., okay, they will modify the original behavior of these items or properties, whatever you call. Okay, when modifiers are specified before these Java items like classes, variables, methods, and other things, okay, wherever they are suitable, if you specify those items, original behavior will get modified. So before you specify any of these modify keywords before these items, they will behave differently. After you specify this kind of keyword items, that is modifier keyword items, before this classes, variables, methods, etc. in Java, their behavior will get modified. Okay, according to the type of the keyword, according to the type of modifier keyword, there are different modifier keywords, right? If you specify public modifier keyword before this classes, variables, method, this classes, variables, methods will behave in a different way. If you specify this another modifier keyword like private before this classes, variables, methods, let's say, their behavior will be different. Okay, the original behavior will get modified on specifying any of these modifier keywords before this items like Java items like classes, variables, methods, etc. These what exactly are nothing are not are but these are exactly modifiers case. Hope you understood what are modifiers. Okay, modifiers in Java in simple words are nothing but keywords like public, private, protected, static, final, abstract. When these modifier keywords are specified before the Java items and properties like okay, Java items and properties like classes, variables, methods, etc., their original behavior of these items will get modified in Java. They will work in a different way. They will behave in a different way. That's what exactly are modifiers. I'll explain more about modifiers in the upcoming sessions. So for now, this much is enough for this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.